Hello everyone, welcome to Study Wala channel. Today let us discuss about the population. Population in that I need to discuss today about the population attributes 13.21 in as per NCERT. Now, before saying that, I need to say what is ecology. Ecology is an study of biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic is nothing but another organism, means living organism, and abiotic is non-living factor. Okay. Now here we can known as ecology as study of house. The term ecology is coined by the zoologist Ernest Haeckel, who discovered the three kingdom classification, and we can simply say that ecology means study of organism relationship. Now, ecology word is from the Greek word. Most of the biological or scientific names or any biological terms are from Greek and Latin also. In English, ecology means okos means house and logos means study. Artology, what is meant by it? In study of ecology of a single species or population in relation to environment. Suppose we are on the land. Suppose the group of people also are only known as population. Okay, we are group of people who are relation with another with environment. Okay, environment, relation with another person or environment in a population is called as artology. The study of it is called as artology, and it is known as population ecology also. I am saying using term population. What is meant by population? The total number of individuals of a species found in a geographical area, or we can say as a group of organisms of the same species area, a group of organisms of the same species living in a specific area at the specific time. Specific area means nothing but geographical area. Use a term in the before definition. Now we can say population means, for example, a group of pine deodar which belongs to Pinaceae family in a specific area. They are in specific area. The group of pine deodar is called as population. The group of animals at trees which is called as population. The population regulated by three factors, that is natality, mortality, population density. Natality means birth rate, mortality means death rate. Okay, death rate. Population density means size of population. Okay, size of population. And natality is nothing but number of birth by size of the population. Mortality is nothing but the ratio or the deaths to the number of population is also called as death rate. Population density means the measurement of people per unit area. The first attribute is birth or death rate, natality, mortality. Now let us discuss our topic, population attributes. Population attributes. In nature, we rarely find isolated single individuals of any species. Majority of them live in groups in a well-defined geographical area share or compete for similar resources, potentially interbreed or reproduce and thus constitute a population. Okay, a population. Okay, means nothing but in single individual we can see of suppose a single man who will be individual. He is individual. Imagine that he is isolated and he is single individual. Imagine that there is very less in number like that. In animals, in especially as there is nobody I think will live individually. Majority of them, majority of human beings are live together as in groups. Okay. Now, all through the term interbreeding implies the sexual reproduction. A group of individuals resulting in asexual reproduction is generally considered as a population, in either sexual or asexual reproduction. It is considered as population for the purposes of ecological studies. All the cormorants is nothing but a large bird which having the large neck and large beak. It is in a wetland. It is an example. And rats in an abandoned dwelling, and teak wood trees in rainforest tract, and bacteria in a cultural plate, and lotus plants in a pond. These are some examples of population. The population ecology is therefore an important area because it is an ecology to the population genetics and evolution because the population ecology is also called as autocology. It is a link between the genetics and evolution, which is the point given in NCERT, important point.